Off camera, I've styled both my heading and my body fonts. Please go to fonts.google.com to find a font. Use the filters button and choose display to filter for display fonts, which are great for headings. When you do your assessment, you'll want to screenshot the names of potential fonts and put them on a slide, then get some stakeholder feedback to help you make your final choice. A quick reminder that the standard says to get merit, you need to use information from testing to improve your outcomes fitness for purpose. And to get excellence, you need to use information from trialing the outcome with others. In an assessment, slides like this one will help you get that excellence grade. In the support files area, we have a file called usefulcode.txt. Please copy the import statements for your font and paste them at the top of your CSS. In my case, I've used Open Sans as the body font, which is 2 words, so I need the plus. And I've used Special Elite for the heading font, and again, 2 words, so I need to separate them with the plus, and notice that the capitals do make a difference. In addition to your import statements, for the body tag, you'll also want to have a body rule where we can specify the font family. We can also specify the color. Notice that I've used RGBA, which means that last number refers to the alpha and introduces a little bit of transparency. Underneath where I've defined my areas, I also have some styling for the heading. My H1 heading is going to be Special Elite, and if Special Elite doesn't work, then I'm going to just use a sans serif font where the size is 300%. I use ChatGPT to help generate the text for the front page. If you do this in the assessment, a reminder that you need to have a slide showing what you did. Please go into the support files area and open the site text file. Select the content and copy it. Then go into index.php and inside your main div, paste in the content. Surround each paragraph with an open P and close P tag. And try and indent your code so that it's easy to read. And here's what your code should look like. So here's what your page should look like. A reminder that you will want to validate. And if you are using something like XAMPP, you'll want to go Control U to see the source, copy, and directly validate. If you're using Project Space, you've got your validate buttons at the top right-hand side of your code. And it should show a green box which says no errors and warnings. You'll also want to validate your CSS, making sure that you're using CSS validation, not HTML validation. Of course, if you're lucky enough to use Project Space, you can just click on the button at the top right of your code. And once again, you should have no errors.